Hey you're looking to buy land, right? Awesome. There's something you really need to know, and this is about the different type of titles you need or you will need when it comes to the purchase of land in Kenya. The first one is a freehold title deed. The next one is a leasehold title deed. What are the difference? It's actually in three main categories. Category number one is the ownership duration of the property you seek to invest in. Number two is the cost associated with the kind of property you will engage in. And number three is the ownership rights associated with the property. Let's start with the first one, a freehold title deed. With a freehold title deed, mainly you're having a perpetual right to that property, meaning there are no renewals involved. Everything, once you purchase and got a freehold title deed, then the property becomes yours to perpetuate. Number two is the cost associated with the same. After purchasing a freehold title deed, normally, in most cases, you'll not be required to pay land rents. But in some county, depending on the jurisdiction, you'll need to pay for the rates. You'll need to confirm that with the property you're seeking to engage on. And finally, is the ownership right associated with the property. In the case of a freehold title deed, normally there are no restrictions involved. Number two, the leasehold title deed. Similarly to the same category, number one, in the ownership duration, in most cases, on a leasehold title deed, you will have a right of up to 99 years. And what happened in most cases, you'll be buying the residual right. Say a property was registered in 1999, given a lease of 99 years, and you're buying it today, you'll be buying the remainder of the 99 years on the leasehold title deed. That is number one. Number two, the cost associated with a leasehold title or a property on a leasehold title deed. In most cases, especially in Nairobi, you'll be required to pay one, land rent, two, land rates. You'll need to also confirm that with the property you're seeking to engage in. Number three, and the final one, is the ownership right. In most cases, when a property is under leasehold title deed, there are different conditions that might be required for the property. As we've said, you also need to check with the jurisdiction to identify what you can and you cannot do with the property. Be informed.
Fanaka Real Estate, your ideal real estate partner.